This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad with custard powder. First, select your favorite fresh fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, and sliced bananas. You'll also need about 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 2 cups of milk, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of custard powder with about 1/4 cup of cold milk, stirring until smooth. In a saucepan, heat the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Gradually whisk the custard mixture into the hot milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue cooking the custard over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously until it reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely. This step is crucial for the best texture. After the custard is cool, gently fold in your chopped fresh fruits, ensuring they are evenly coated. For the best flavor, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can garnish it with fresh mint leaves or a light sprinkle of chopped nuts for an extra touch. This delightful dessert is perfect for sharing. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.